Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make pearl shampoo at home. A shampoo which is pearl in color. So before wasting any time, let's get started. Take two stainless steel vessels named as part A and part B. Part A contains SLES 400 ml, cocoa dye 16 ml, cocoa mono 16 gram, glycerine 30 ml, cocoa bitumen 50 ml. Part B contains MPSO 1 gram, EDTA 1 gram, EGMS 20 grams, water, use distilled water if available, 650 ml. Procedure: add part A with 200 ml SLES in vessel and add part B in another vessel. Put both the vessels in double boiler. Stir slowly. Once everything melts properly, see the temperature, it should be 70 degrees Celsius. Take out the vessels from double boiler. Add B to A and stir gently and slowly and continuously till it becomes cool. After 12 hours, cool it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, add remaining 200 ml SLES in part A. Check the pH balance, add color and fragrance. You can add color and fragrance in small amount like 0.5 gram or 1 gram, not more than that. So that's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for more such videos. See you in the next video.